In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up automation rules in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to optimize your current processes, understanding how to effectively set up automation rules is crucial. Automation can save you time, reduce errors, and enhance your team's productivity. So let's dive in and get started with the basics. First, you'll want to navigate to the Automation tab in HubSpot. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of your dashboard and you'll find the Automation option. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Workflows. This is where all the magic of automation happens. Workflows in HubSpot allow you to create a series of automated actions that your contacts can go through. They are essential for tasks such as lead nurturing, email marketing, and internal processes. Once you're in the workflow section, you'll see a list of existing workflows if you have any setup. To create a new one, you simply click on the Create Workflow button. However, for this tutorial, we'll assume you already have a workflow in place that you'd like to enhance with automation rules. Go ahead and open up the workflow you wish to edit. By doing this, you'll enter the workflow editor, which is your main area for making changes and adding automation rules. Now, to add an automation rule, you'll want to incorporate an if-then action or branching logic. This is pivotal because it allows you to set conditions and specify what actions should be taken based on those conditions. For instance, you might want to send a follow-up email only if a contact has opened a previous email or clicked a specific link. To do this, locate the plus icon within your workflow. Clicking it will present you with various options, including if-then branch. Choose this and a new panel will appear, allowing you to set your conditions. When setting your conditions, you'll see options such as contact properties, form submissions, and email interactions. Select the one that fits your needs. For example, if your goal is to segment contacts based on email opens, choose email interactions and specify the criteria. Once you've set your conditions, you'll also define the actions that should occur if the conditions are met. This could be sending an email, updating a contact property, or even creating a task for your sales team. As you configure these, you have these if/then branches. Remember to think through the customer journey and how each action adds value to both the contact and your organization. Well-structured automation can lead to more personalized interactions, higher engagement rates, and ultimately better conversion rates. After setting up your if-then branches, make sure to save your changes. There's nothing worse than crafting a detailed workflow only to lose it due to a simple oversight. HubSpot provides a handy save button that's worth hitting regularly as you work. Once your workflow is ready and your automation rules are set, it's time to test them. HubSpot allows you to enroll contacts manually or automatically based on specified triggers. Run a few contacts through your workflow to ensure everything functions as expected. This step is crucial to verify that your conditions and resulting actions align with your intended strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully set up automation rules in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can streamline your marketing efforts and focus on what truly matters, building strong relationships with your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your use of HubSpot.